Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Alex React. We're going to watch some Attack on Titan final season episode 10. We're closing in on I think we are around nearly third done. We are past the third part. Last episode was some flashback. We got some allies from the continent. Zeke wants to help us this time. He's on our side. The others doesn't trust him so much. Of course, he was the one that actually destroyed us. So we don't trust him so much. Let's see how it turns out, because now we have a Titan royal blood on our side, and Eren can do the rumbling whenever he wants. He can use his Fountain Titan powers now whenever he wants. That's going to be amazing. I want to know what's going to happen. And we had some development with Medallion, who fell in love with Sasha. And Sasha died. He was asking the parents. He said, "Your daughter loved my cooking. I would be honored if you would have a dinner with taste the same food if you allowed me to cook for you." And the father saw that he loved her, and why did he kill off Sasha? She was a comedy relief. Even when she's serious, Eric, she's like, "What do we have for food?" and stuff. That's comedy relief. If they take away the comedy relief, it's going to be very, very serious stuff that's going to happen. It's very serious stuff's going to happen now, in my opinion. They took away this comic relief guy or person. That means serious business going on. No more comedy is going to be in this. Maybe some funny moments, but not the real funny moments that you can smile with and laugh it off later. Let's see. I pressed the wrong button.
戦えって言ってたんだよね。戦え2回行ったってことは
It's a
2回戦があるのかな。
damn it.
黙ってちゃわからないよ。普通はそんな一人で喋ったりはしないとよ。私はちょっと乱れてるばってくるし。
何しに来たんですか。
何って私の一方的な話を君は聞いてくれた。
Yeah, he doesn't want to put his story on risk. I wonder if that... Ah, that's good. I wonder if he's actually is true. He doesn't want to put his story in. Let's see how it turns out. A sound argument. 2 years ago.
顔を見せたのは最大限の情報だ。
それで十分です。
No.
その特使、清宮あずま人。
Oh, they have people!
これはお母さんが秘密にしてろって。
子供の頃、俺に。
この印は死んだ母の一族から受け継いできたものです。
あずま人家の御親にあたる我が将軍家子息は、このパラディ島に投留し敗戦後、ヒーズル国は敗戦国、その混乱の最中、我が失った一国の主の末裔。
Damn. But she's a queen. Mikasa is a queen. Oh my god. Mikasa is going to be she's a ruler by birth. That means they can get a powerful ally immediately. Oh my god. That's amazing. They can get Mikasa to be the ruler there. Eren can follow. Mikasa can control Eren. She follows Eren. Eren can be king. They don't have any dispute. Let's see how it turns out. Oh yeah. I just figured out now. Now I know why they said, "Oh, we were leaving." And now I know why she protected also that alien boy. in a certain way. She's like, she protects them. She protects the aliens in a certain way. Let's see how it turns out. How Mick is going to respond.
利用できるなら何でもするんだ。これがいや、それこそ奴らの思うツボだろう。一つ確かなことがある。
ねえ、その印なんでエレンだけに見せたの？え？だって手首の方でしょ。ミカサが一緒ならこんなに頼もしい人いないよ。
ジーク・イエーガーの存在が不可欠でした。きます。
まずはこちらをご覧ください。
これは
殺す兵器です。私が個人的に調達したものですのでご安心を。未だパラディ島以外では採掘されたことがない未知の地下資源です。
クイエーガーは自分の計画に協力するなら傾いた国家がこの近代化の時代において金銀財宝に等しい資源が眠っておられるのです。
けちゃんな。
それでジーク・エーガーとの取り計らいとは、一体何でしょうか？
ご存知の例です。まず一つ目は地ならしの実験的活用。その力の一部を公開し世界に破壊力、そしてその期間における始祖および王家の血を引く巨人両者の継続的な維持、可能な限り子を増やすこと。
他の兵器が発達しても地ならしは強力な兵器だ。手放すことができなく不可能の問題を未来の子孫たちに残していいのか？いいわけがない。
獣の巨人の継承を受け入れます。地ならしが我々の存続に不可欠である以上は。
壁を破壊し蹂躙された挙句家畜みてえに子供を産まされ殺されたイエーガーの計画は到底受け入れられません。人でしょうか。
君と焦燥感を共にした
俺は潜水の巨人を食いました。この巨人の能力は地面から自在に硬質化を操り、ハンジさん、あなたに何ができるって言うんですか？他のやり方があったら教えてくださいよ。
エレンのエッチ
Still get it. Maybe that. Damn, what's the other way to transforming?
班長にしたんだよ。
Oh, does he trust you? Damn, she's already pregnant? Oh my god. She's actually just going through this. She's not caring at all. She has dead eyes. I believe she's not going to care about the children she's going to have. Okay, let's see. This cultivate information right now. Oh, I'm just sorry for Historia. She's a broad man right now. Oh my god. Hisuru. Under a head of state known as Shogun, this small oriented built an independent culture. It was many skilled technicians who developed the world's most advanced weapons and aircraft. It was once allied with the Eldian Empire. The crest of the Shogunate is a pattern made up from 3 incident single-edged swords. That's interesting. That's interesting. I really like this. I really do. Let's see. I feel bad for Historia though. Why is everything getting so dark? This is what happens when you kill the mood changer.
巨人にしたヒストリア女王に食わせるべきだったんだ。それがまさか名ばかりの女王様ってことだ。おい、やめろ。で生まれた青年だ。幼少期は女王に石を投げつけていたらしい。何年も顔を伏せたまま下働きを務める彼に気づいたのは女王の方からだった。ガダ！誰かが助言したんだ。妊娠しちまえば巨人に先入れる危険なやつだからな。女王が妊娠してまだらまだ間に合う。身をもだろうと巨人にしちまえば女王の身に何かあればおしまいだ。おすすめはこいつだろ。
Oh. Did he poison it? Is that Mikasa?
確
かに今はヒーズルからの回答を待つしかない。
ヒーズルを介して世界との対話を図る話に頼らずヒストリアが辛い目に遭わ
Damn, I just saw that. Did you guys see how many iron those pillars were? And what was carrying us? 25 of those, 5 to 6 of them, just like that on the shoulder here and just here, and keep and going. Maybe like this, just going. Dude, how much does one of those weigh? They weigh a minimum means 200 kilos. I don't know in pound though. Sorry, I don't have that system. Those are heavy as hell. People die for those. If there's an accident and they fall down, you get crushed. Let's see. Is that Sasha?
お前ら図体バカ
Yeah, yeah, doesn't know.
ヒーズルの件でしょうか。
たった今アズマ人から返事。世界はパラディ島が災いの種であり続けることを望んでいる。それが国々の団結を促し世界の安定を担保。
そんなこちらの意図も図らず勝手に悪魔だって平和になる道を考えられないんだ。
顔の見えない相手なんかを信用するわけにはいかないからね。だから会いに行こう。それが調査兵団だろ。
Yeah.
まあ
そんなこと考えてたんです。
俺何持っていこう。腹を下したら大変だよな。
いい何かが変わるかもしれない。
Something happened
もう少し時間継承者。
in my Titans.
私が引き継ぐ。
お前じゃダメだろ。は多すぎんだよ。
じゃあ他に誰が。
俺だ。
俺だ。
まず俺はエレンよりはるかに頭がいい。
そんなすげえやつを13年でミス死なすわけにいかねえだろ。アホか。
あ
お前は兵団。
あなたはバカなんですよ。
Yeah, eat it.
じゃなくないですか。
Oh my god.
いますよ。
I hate
戦
her.
経験もあって信頼できる。
それはおかしいだろ。
え
The bigger idiot that means that you're contradicting
こ
yourself.
とが矛盾してる。
Okay. Have their faces. Oh, we really need Sasha. Sasha needs to be alive. These are the moments you love. Sasha, why did you leave us? This was at least 2 years ago. In everything. It's interesting. I love how it goes with Carnival. But you're even bigger idiots than me. You can't retribute yourself. It can't. No. Oh, that's great.
なんでだ。
だから。
As in blushing. It's turning us all red. Because we can't blame it. It's got the sunset. Mixa loves that. Oh, I love that. I love how it goes.
調査兵団は彼らと距離が近いから事前に知らされなかったらしい。
そう。
Hmm.
そして突然ジークの計画に乗ったエレン。
エレンじゃない。もしあいつが俺たちじゃなく、腹違いの兄貴の置く必要がある。
そんなことさせない。みんなも分かっているはず。だから私たち以外の外部に対して
あいつが大事だと言った俺もコニーもサシャもだ。
それは私たちが信頼されてるから。たちが行かなければ何もできなかった。
サシャが死ぬこともなかっただろうな。一体何がそんなにおかしかった。
Oh.
なんでエレンは笑ったのか。エレンのことは何でもわかるんだろう。
話し合ってどうする。もしジークと同じ目的だったら。
エレンの始祖を継承する選択だ。
Don't trust Aaron! Aaron changed! Oh my god, he's changed! Yeah, true. That's actually true. He didn't want Mixa on the battlefield before. Now he called her to the battlefield. Oh my god, that's something extremely important. Damn. How are we going to get to this? How are we going to complete this? How is everything going to go? I'm very wondering now, how is everything going to go? Damn. I'm really wondering how it's going to go. I want to know. I really want to know how it's going to go. I really want to know. And I hope everyone knows that I want to know. I really, really hope that everyone knows that I really want to know what's going to happen. You guys know what's going to happen. I'm curious. What is Eren's motives? He actually 2 years. He changed. Maybe he was able to activate some of his first Titan's abilities, the attack Titan. Maybe that's why. He knows some more stuff about his Titan power. Maybe that's why. And he only did the most effective way we can get to the best ending. I really hope that's right. I hope you guys had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video down below. If you comment down what you think Eren's plans is. Please comment down below. Bye.